Hey, how you doing? Justin Sandico here, and welcome to the best beginner guitar course ever. I've spent over a year creating this course, and I'm confident it's the most fun, effective and structured course that's ever been created, and I've kept it free. The course is perfect for those learning acoustic guitar, electric guitar, those that are completely new, or those that have fallen off the wagon and are looking to get back into it. The course is divided into individual lessons, pretty much the same as I would do for private one-on-one lessons, but of course I've written it for an optimal online experience. There are some pretty special and unique features in this course that you won't find anywhere else. I tested this course on myself and learned to play left-handed. I filmed all my practice sessions and you can follow along and see that everyone finds it hard. Follow the Knit Sudge series to enjoy my struggles and my victories. To make sure you know exactly what to practice and for how long, I created my practice assistant. You can easily add the practice items from each lesson to your routine, and it will show you exactly what to practice, time it for you, and keep stats on how well you're doing. I used it for my lefty journey and it works amazingly well. It's easily editable if you decide to add or change the lessons or the times you spend on each item. This is free and found on the dashboard for registered users. I think beginner guitar players should focus on playing songs. It keeps it fun and puts your skills into context. My beginner song course app, available for iOS and Android, is an incredible tool to complement this course. It's a paid subscription, but we kept it as reasonably priced as we could, and we're continually improving it and adding new songs. It has literally hundreds of song backing tracks and is specifically designed for beginners to play along with, and man, it really accelerates a beginner's progress, particularly with rhythm and strumming. Please go check out the amazing reviews on the app stores. It'll be money well spent. And I have some play-along videos for those that can't afford to or don't want to use the app for whatever reason. Thank you for choosing me to be your guide on this awesome, fun guitar adventure. If you do enjoy the lessons, please consider making a donation. It's what allows me to keep it free for those that can't afford to contribute and continue to make new features and improvements. Many thanks in advance. Let's get into it.